In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow for advanced website development. We'll begin by opening a browser and searching for how to use Webflow for advanced website development. If your search experience includes AI mode, switch it on to get a concise, high-level overview. From there, open the result that summarizes advanced Webflow work. Things like building from scratch with structured grid and Flexbox, setting up complex interactions, using the CMS for dynamic content, and embedding custom code. Expand the summary with Show More so you can see the key areas we'll explore together. Start with the custom class system using a BEM-style approach. Keep your naming consistent and descriptive. Think component, element, and modifier. This keeps your style sheets scalable and your selectors predictable as projects grow. Document a few core utilities like spacing or alignment helpers, so your team applies styles the same way throughout. Move into advanced layouts with grid and Flexbox. Define a responsive grid early, establish sensible gaps, and nest only when layout intent truly changes. Flexbox is great for alignment and distribution inside components. Grid excels at page-level structure. As you adjust breakpoints, confirm alignment and spacing still read clearly. Next, consider custom code. Use HTML embeds or site-wide head and body areas for scripts and snippets. Keep third-party code minimal, organized, and performance-aware, and test interactions so you don't override essential Webflow behaviors. Explore advanced interactions and animations. Tie animations to scroll, hover, or page load for meaningful motion, and keep durations and easings consistent. Favor subtle, purposeful micro-interactions that guide attention without distracting. Open CMS and API topics. Structure collections around real content models. Use reference and multi-reference fields for relationships, and plan slugs and statuses early. If you integrate via API, agree on naming and data shape before automation. Check out Figma to Webflow. A tidy design system, consistent text styles, spacing tokens, and components translates into cleaner builds. Align naming between Figma and Webflow to speed mapping and reduce rework. Review performance optimization. Compress images, use modern formats where possible, lazy load media, and keep DOM depth reasonable. Limit heavy scripts and audit animations that may cause jank. Look at system setup. Establish global color, typography, and spacing scales, and store them as variables. This underpins consistent components and faster iteration. Refine structuring components. Build wrappers and content blocks that are reusable with modifiers for small variations. This keeps layouts flexible and maintainable. Dial in responsiveness. Test across common viewports, adjust grid areas and flex behavior, and prevent overflow with sensible maximum widths. Finally, cover advanced SEO and launch. Set logical meta titles and descriptions, add alt text and open graph images, configure